Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe dashboard for billing strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type stripe.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the Stripe homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your mobile device for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the login page. Once logged in, you will land on the Stripe dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu on the left side. To access billing features, click on the Billing option in the menu. Here, you can manage subscriptions, invoices, and payment methods. Explore different sections to understand their functionalities. Utilize the search bar for quick access to specific features. If you need assistance, refer to Stripe's Help Center for resources and guides. Feel free to log out once you are done by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Logout. This completes your login process to the Stripe dashboard for billing strategy management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.